Welcome to another edition of our Explainer. Today, we're looking at something that might seem, well, incredibly mundane at first glance, but it's actually deeply foundational in our modern connected world. We're talking about setting up a Gmail account. But I don't want you to think of this as just filling out another tedious web form. Instead, view this as an exciting journey to claim your very own secure digital passport. Your email is your central identity online. It's the hub for your personal communications, your financial accounts, your subscriptions, literally everything. So that brings us to a big question. Are you ready to claim your piece of digital real estate? Building a new Gmail account is essentially just like building a brand new digital home from the ground up. You need a specific address, you need heavy locks on the doors, and you need a reliable way to let the right people in. Today, we're going to use the official source guidelines to walk through exactly how you construct this digital home, ensuring it's both highly accessible to you and completely secure from everyone else. Okay, let's dive into this. We'll be following a straightforward 5-step journey, hitting the sign-up page, entering your details, verifying your identity, adding optional info, and finally, reviewing the terms. Section 1. Claiming your digital address. All right, to start building, just open up your web browser and navigate to the Google account creation page. Entering your first and last name is easy enough, but then you have to select a username, your permanent email address. And hey, the source reminds us not to panic if your ideal address is already taken. Google will actually suggest alternatives right there on the spot, so it turns into kind of a fun puzzle to find a combination that feels just right.
Section 2. Securing your new hub.
Now that you've got an address, we obviously can't leave the front door wide open. It's time to install a heavy-duty deadbolt. You need a strong password, a unique combination of letters, numbers, and symbols used to secure the account. And the absolute key word here is unique. You want a password that is complex enough that no software or person could guess it, but memorable enough for you to actually recall it. Mixing capital and lowercase letters with numbers and special characters creates a totally unpickable lock for your new digital home. Section 3. The verification checkpoint. Now, pay close attention, because this is a crucial security checkpoint to prove a real human is creating the account, not an automated system. It's a very simple chronological sequence. First, entering your phone number takes just a few seconds. Next, you wait for a text message containing a specific verification code that usually takes just a minute or so. And finally, you input that verification code into the box, which takes another couple seconds. What could occasionally feel like a frustrating wait is actually transformed into a highly efficient, predictable progression, a quick 1, 2, 3 sequence to prove you're exactly who you say you are.
Section 4. Finalizing and pro tips.
With the heavy lifting totally done, you can add in some optional personal information, like your birth date and gender. But there's one optional piece that deserves special attention: a recovery email address. The source material distinctly notes that this is optional, but it is highly recommended in case you forget your password. I mean, we can all deeply relate to that sudden, sinking feeling of panic when you're completely locked out of a crucial account, right? Taking literally 30 seconds right now to enter a secondary email or phone number is exactly like hiding a spare key under your digital welcome mat. It prevents massive headaches down the road.
And now we arrive at the 5th and final official step. You'll read through Google's privacy and terms. Once you've reviewed those conditions, you simply click the I agree button to finish creating your account. Clicking that button, that is the official handshake. It's what officially hands over the keys to the account, finalizing your ownership of your brand new digital space. So the crucial point is really captured in these pro tips directly from our source material. To ensure your new digital home remains completely impenetrable, always add that recovery info we just talked about, and crucially for your overall security, avoid reusing passwords for other sensitive websites. Your Gmail is often the master key to your entire digital life. If someone gets into your email, they can request password resets on your banking or social media accounts. So keep this Gmail lock completely unique to this specific door. Section 5. Taking Gmail mobile. Now, here is perhaps the best feature mentioned in the source material. Your digital home isn't just stuck on a desktop computer. Once your account is created, you can download the official Gmail app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. This lets you seamlessly carry your entire digital communication hub right in your pocket wherever you go. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or just sitting on the couch, the flexibility this offers is absolutely incredible. Which leaves us with this final thought-provoking question. Your digital front door is open, Who are you going to email first? And how will you organize your new inbox? You can easily configure this new account by setting up a personalized signature or organizing your incoming messages. You now have the keys, you've got top-tier security, and you have the mobility. You are entirely empowered to make this space your own. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Get out there, organize that inbox, and start communicating.